What's up, everybody? It's Jamie with Destination Bigfoot Bronco, and today, as you can see behind me, I've got Bigfoot. And what we are going to do today is go underneath and take out the existing Gatekeeper Off-Road knuckle pods that I have in there. They're the Diode Dynamics C1s, and to replace those with the C2 SAEs. I'm going to show you here just in a second of what the setup looks like now. And as you can see, here's the knuckle pod itself, along with an extension bracket that I made up and rigged up. And here's the light, and I've got the wiring kind of tied off here. So it's going to be a quick and easy plug and play from my existing setup, and we'll go ahead and get started.
Destination Bigfoot Bronco. Destination Bigfoot Bronco. Big kicks, big drops, let's go, go, go.
And here are the lights that I'll be installing and replacing the C1s with. They have the amber backlight, and that's them right there. All right, now this is with the lights on. And as you can see, I know it's daytime. They're really not putting out a whole lot of light. All right, I'm going to show you now how the knuckle pods turn with the steering. And this helps when you're on trails at night or on a dark road and you really can't see what's coming around the corner. Hopefully you can see that. Now the connection on this is going to be pretty simple. Like I said, it's plug and play. So you just take this a 13mm socket and loosen up the existing one that I had on here. And then come to the back and disconnect the existing connection from the rear, like so. And with this connection here, I'll be able to plug directly into the C2s and then just reconnect everything back up here. Okay, so now we've got our lights. Now we're going to install the bracket. First, I'll take a 5/32 Allen key here, along with a 10mm socket. Find the connection here, run the bolt through like so, and then get the little lock nut here. That's good there. And now she is ready to install. Okay. Now that we've got our bracket here installed, clean whatever dust that you got there on your existing bracket. Mount here, and then connect until it clicks like so, and then place your light like that, and then take your washers and your lock washer, And take your 13mm socket and get it somewhat snug. And there you go. Give you a close-up of how that looks. And I'll go and tighten everything down once I get everything the way I want it aimed, and go from there. Now we will straighten the tires up. So this is what the backlights of the C2s look like. I don't know if you can see that there. Compared to the C1s. And this is the C2s with them turned on versus the C1s. I'll back up. I don't know if you can tell the difference during daylight or not, but yeah, it looks much brighter considering once it's nighttime, I'll take a look and try to get them aimed. So when I turn the tires, it'll give me a better view while turning. Okay, here's what it looks like with both, with the backlights. Now here's what it looks like with both of them on. Super bright. And here they are at night. Hopefully you can see how bright everything is. I want to get in the vehicle now and turn it. Okay, this is turning to the left. And this is turning them to the right. I don't know if you can see that or not. But it lights up pretty well.
Destination Bigfoot Bronco.